Hi everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and I'm going to show you how to make a spider bow. So we're going to make a bow with these two ribbons that looks like a spider for the top of our wreath. This is a 2.5 inch and I'm using a 1.5 inch. I also got this little felt eyeball. I pulled it from one of my sprays. It was one of those sprays that have the 3 sets of eyeballs, but we only need one. And I'm using Chanel stem. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 3 pieces of our 2.5 inch ribbon at 21 inches. So 3 pieces. 1. Okay, there's 3, 21. And then I'm doing 2 of the 1.5 at 21 inches. And then I'm going to do 2 24-inch pieces of each of the ribbon. I'll just put them over on the other side so we know they're different size. I'm going to get my glue gun on. Now, if you don't have a glue gun, you can just fold your ribbons over and overlap them. And I'll show you what I mean in 1 second. So I'm going to take this 21-inch piece. I'm just going to fold it and find the center point. Okay, I'll do this one while my glue gun is heating up. Okay, so there's our halfway point. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bead of glue just beyond, just a little bit past the halfway point. Come over and press it on. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to put another bead of glue going this way. We're going to do that for all our pieces. Now, if you don't have a glue gun, what you can do is just take your ribbon and go slightly little past the halfway, about 1.5 inches. So you have enough overlap that when you pinch it in the middle, you got both ends into your loop here. But if you do have a glue gun, it's much easier to use your glue gun. That way you know for sure. You can pull on your loops once we start our spider. And your loops won't come out of the pipe cleaner. So we're going to do this for all 5 pieces of the 21-inch ribbon. What you're going to do with these is we're going to ducktail them. There's only 2, 2.5, and 2 1.5. And this time, instead of cutting from the folded edge to the outside corner, we're going to cut, just try to line this up, we're going to cut from the wired edge to the outside corner, like that. So we're making a point in the end of our ribbon. I'm going to we're going to build our spider. I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners and I'm going to twist them together. Just so we have lots of pipe cleaner to attach our spider bow onto our wreath. All right, just like that. So we have a nice long pipe cleaner. All right, so now I'm going to start with the first layer, which is the 2.5. Pinch it in the center, put it on top, come around, just like that. Try and make sure that the loops are about the same size. Yeah, that's in the center. Sometimes it's a little hard because there's glue in the center there, but that's okay. And we have the seam side facing up towards me because we're building our bow as we go. Okay, I'm going to take another 2.5 inch seam side up, and it's going to go on top of here. Again, want to make sure that our loops are the same size. There we go. Okay, just like that. Okay, pull tight, half twist. And I'm going to put this last 2.5 inch on. It's going to kind of make an X in the center here with one coming out the sides. Okay, and now we're going to come in with our 1.5. This is the bottom of our bow, and that is going to go this way. And the other side will go this way. Yes. Alrighty. Push down as hard as you can and give it a good one round of a twist here. Okay, now we're going to add the duck-tailed tails that so I'm going to do a 2.5, and we're lining up the centers, stagger it over top of the 1.5, again a 2.5, our centers lining up here, and the 1.5. So we have 4. And then we're just going to pinch it right up the center, gathering all 4 ribbons up the center. Flip this over. I'm going to put the center of that right on top of our pipe cleaner. Push down hard in the middle again. Hard pull and a couple twists. Okay, now we're going to flip this over. We've got a long pipe cleaner to add it to, and then we're going to open up all these loops. So we'll start with the center one. Then the next layer. Alright, there we go. Now I have my little eyeballs. I cut the wire, these are just felt, I cut it about 2 inches from the bottom of the eye. I'm just going to bend it over, and we're going to place this in the center because our bow will be looking at us this way, right, when we put it on the wreath. So we don't want it in the front, because when we put it on the wreath, it'll, look like this. We want the eyeballs in the center. So I'm just going to take a bit of glue. And our spider bow is ready to be added to our, I'm actually putting this on a ghost wreath. So we're gonna have a 2-piece plush ghost wreath. I'm holding a sign, and this is going to go above the ghost. It's gonna look super, super cute. Thanks for watching.